What's up, YouTube homies? So I'm back here again at the video, and I want to talk about this little ship that got stuck in the canal. Y'all remember that ship, right? It was stuck in the Suez Canal. That big Evergreen ship. It was a big mess, right? All over the media. Gas prices were gonna go up, and they were panicking, and a bunch of crazy shit, right? So on this ship that was stuck, I remember them mentioning that they had to hurry up and get to these animals, right? Because they needed to get them food and water, and if not, that the animals were gonna die. So it was a big deal. They were worrying about getting all these animals all. I guess they were in certain containers, or not exactly sure, but they did say animals were on board, and if they didn't get supplies to them immediately, it could be bad, right? So, being the conspiracy theorist that I am, I put numerology into all into everything. I put numerology into everything, and I check a lot of my work and a lot of my research. For some reason I tend to use numerology to dig into to figure out certain things. But so in this particular instance, I started looking into it, right? So again, could be a coincidence, which I really don't believe in, but could be, or conspiracy. But who knows? Y'all check this out. All right, so look, the word animals in the four main ciphers, right? There's a lot of other ciphers, but in these four main ciphers, the word animals, it breaks down here to 69, 24, 120, and 48, right? So that's the word animals, okay? All right, so then, I started just thinking a little bit, and for some reason, the word people came to mind. So I went ahead and plugged it in. The word people breaks down to, the same as the other word, 69 in the first cipher. You got 33, 93, 21. So if you do the numerology and break that down, 3 plus 3 is 6, 9 and 3, that's 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. It ends up all equaling the same thing if you break them all down. All right, so look, you got the words here next to each other so you can see and compare. You see 69, same in the first cipher. You got 3 and 3 is 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, 9 and 3 it's 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 and 1 is 3, 8 plus 4 is 12, so 2 plus 1 is 3. It all ends up breaking down to the same number. I mean,
So,
could be nothing,
I'm not
right?
saying that
Just could be a coincidence.
that's exactly what that means, or that word, because they said that word, that they were trying to actually say the other word, or they meant the other word. But all I'm saying is that I just find it a little strange, and there's got to be something to it, right? Like, what are the chances that those two words match up numerically in all those ciphers? But could be nothing. Could be a conspiracy. Who knows?